Next, original sketches by Roald Dahl have fetched nearly £24,000 at auction. The black ballpoint pen drawings created for his 1984 memoir Boy were the only book illustrations Dahl ever produced himself. The author, born in Llandaff, famously recalled a childhood prank involving a dead mouse and a sweet shop jar. That memory inspired one of the sketches, showing the mouse lying on top of gobstoppers. The artwork, long thought lost, was discovered in an envelope belonging to the late Ian Craig, former art director at Dahl's publisher Jonathan Cape. It sold at Lyon & Turnbull's Books and Manuscripts auction in Edinburgh. A row has broken out within Caerphilly Council amid reports that Labour councillor Brenda Miles has been suspended. Councillor Miles, who represents Nelson, had emailed all councillors voicing concern over plans to close 10 libraries by the end of August. She accused the Cabinet of ignoring a backbench committee's call to delay closures until community handovers could be arranged. The Labour group has not confirmed the suspension, and Councillor Miles has declined to comment. Plans have been unveiled to demolish Merthyr Tydfil's former Hoover factory and build up to 441 homes on the 16-hectare site in Pentrabach. The application by Walters Land Limited includes proposals for a community hub, shops, business spaces, open areas and active travel routes. While a future metro station and park and ride site are safeguarded, they're not part of this application. The former factory, once employing 5,000 people, ceased production in 2009 and was used for storage until Hoover's full withdrawal last year in 2024. The proposal sees the site as a major regeneration opportunity, forming part of the wider Hoover Strategic Regeneration Area, expected to deliver 20% of Merthyr's housing needs under the revised LDP. Work is set to begin next week on the final section of the Rhondda Fach walking and cycling route between Ferndale and Tillerstown. The 2.8-kilometre stretch will run along a former railway line, improving access to local amenities, including the Rhondda Fach Leisure Centre and Taylorstown Surgery. Resurfacing and bridge upgrades are part of the works, which will also close some existing paths for safety. Phase 5 of the project is scheduled to finish by early spring 2026.